Paula Jawahi, better known as Mummy, Mummy Paula, or Tata, or Forrester, passed away at her daughter's residence on Sunday, October 4th, 2020, at 10:39 a.m. She was 71 years old. The funeral service for the late Paula Jawahi, better known as Mummy, Mummy Paula, or Tata, will be conducted at the Sacred Heart Church, Marcia, on Friday, October 16th, 2020, at 2 p.m., and then her body will be laid to rest at the Forrester Cemetery. Persons attending the funeral service are asked to observe all protocols due to COVID-19. Transportation will be available from Forrester to the church and back, leaving at 1:45 p.m. Her body now lies at Rambali's Funeral Parlour, Calvary Road, Castries.